how you can create a token. That is a very simple process. Here you can see I written all the process, personal access token. For this, simply you have to click on this, okay? And here you just go on the settings. In the setting below, you can come developer settings, click here, and here you can see personal access token. We have a auth and this we will see later. Token classic, and as I told you, I already created one token here, SSO type. If you want, you can just simple click on the generate new token. Okay, generate new token classic, and whenever you click here, it will require your password, and then just confirm it, and then you just put the name and the expiration date and whatever you want to give the access of that repo and workflow, that you can check mark here and generate the token. Whenever you generating the token, that time it will show you one pop-up and it will tells you this is your token. Please copy that or take a screenshot, because it will only give you one time. Next time if you try to get the same token, it will not show you. Okay, so keep in mind, whenever you are creating a token, you have to copy it and you have to save somewhere, okay, for the later use whenever it is required. Okay, so that whenever you push your code, that time he will ask the password to you. That token you have to put in that password and your code will be pushed on the repository. So here you can see, click on the profile image. I already did it. Settings, then develop setting in the left bar, then personal access token. Click on the personal access token, give any name and expiration. Must check repo. Just you have to click the repo first one. As you can see, you have to do this. Other, if you want, you can do, otherwise no problem. Generate token and copy token, it will only display once. Okay, and if you want to know more about this, you just go there on this and check this. Okay, now we'll move ahead. To use git push, use this command once git push dash dash set dash upstream origin remote branch name to set upstream branch. So here what we are doing here, I told you, as if I don't want to write every time git push origin branch name, git push origin branch name. So I can set the upstream branch. So upstream branch setting, I just simply write a git push. I don't have to tell him where I have to push, because I already set it on my local where I have to push it. So now I set it to upstream. You can see this is done. Now whenever I made some changes, new push. Okay. So just keep in mind, this is the process. What you have to do? First, you have to simply add the file. Then next, you have to make the commit. Then third, you have to push the changes. Then it will push on the server. Otherwise, it will always on your local. And it is the good practice, at least in a one time in a day, whatever we are doing, we push our code on the repository. Normally, I put 2-3 times in every 1 hour, 2 hour. Whenever I complete any feature, I push it on the server, because it is very beneficial. Whenever you are pushing your code on the server, that time if something went wrong with your system, you don't have to worry about it, because all code is all there on server and you can take it from anywhere. So it is good, because I have seen many developer is not pushing 2 to 3 days. That is very wrong. Okay, so whenever you are making some changes, just push, because you have to keep it safe somewhere. So same thing, we made some changes, we edit, git add, git commit, dash m, again push. This I made the push. Sorry, मेरे को भी ज़्यादा देर हो गई. Git commit dash m, again push. Okay, now I made this commit, and now I can say git push, not origin, not branch name. You can see code is now push. So you set up upstream branch. So whenever you are doing, so keep in mind, whenever you are doing the push, it will always push in this branch. So whenever you are on the new branch. That time you have to take care of these things. Okay. So you have to, if you want to push in different branch, then you have to put the name of that branch, or that you have to upstream that new branch. Okay. You have to set it. So now our upstream is done. Push original new branch name, git push already we done. Delete branch from the GitHub, click on the branch drop down, view all branch and click on trace icon. So normally here, whenever we want to delete our branch, we can delete it. Simply, I go back, we are here and we are on the rocks. Yeah, we are here. Okay. Now you can see the changes. New push is here. So I want to change, I want to delete this branch. How I can delete this branch? Simply, these are my demo. Okay, I can see all the pull requests and the actions project and either we have a two branches, main and develop. Okay, so currently I am in the main and I want to delete branch. I click on the branches. Okay, and simply I can click on this delete icon, trace icon, and it will be deleted, but it will not permanently deleted. It will only hide from the drop down, but it is always be there. If you want to revert it, come here and revert it back. So you can get it back. Okay. So that you can do it. You can rename this branch and just see what you can do. There are too many. Let's just explore the things. Okay. So Git is also done. As I told you, click on the branch drop down, view all branches, click on trace icon.